Tonight we're going to make a snack of microwaved nachos.
Ichi, ni, san, shi.
Good cooking show! First you have to get some chips. Put it on your plate and make sure to cover up all the bottom.
Now what kind of chips are those that we have?
Unsalted tortilla chips.
Why do we get unsalted?
Because it hurts us. I don't like it.
It doesn't hurt you, but
It just doesn't taste good to us.
yeah, we don't want it too salty and they make you a little dehydrated. So it's healthier not to have the added salt.
Yep. So that's why we have these. The unsalted. And if you want to make 2 or 1 layer, I usually do 2. You get cheese?
Now what kind of cheese do you use?
This cheese.
And what other cheese do we have over there?
This cheese. What's not cow milk?
It's a vegan soy cheese.
The vegan soy cheese.
Yeah, so her brothers use that because they can't do dairy. So they don't do that one.
I
So
do a little bit of both. I do this one and this one. Mostly I like this one.
mm-hmm.
That's why I don't like nachos at all. And mom lets me have this kind of cheese. Put it on there. And you might want a little bit handful. And you'll sprinkle it on. And then I'm going to do 2 layers.
So why do you do 2 layers?
Because it makes it really crispy.
Yeah, and so every chip has cheese, so they're not overlapped.
So I don't just eat plain chips like last night.
Yeah, no one likes cheeseless nachos.
Yes, it would just be plain chips, no nachos.
Hey, do you want to tell everyone what Clark did the other day?
Clark could just heated up plain chips. He forgot to put on the cheese.
Yeah, he tried to make himself nachos, but forgot the cheese.
And then he took it out, put cheese on it, put it back in the microwave.
Mm-hmm. Okay, good job. Now what do we do next?
Then we shut this.
You can just leave it open for now.
Okay. Then we need to open it. And then we set it down, open it, or you just use one hand and keep it in your other hand. Put it in, and if you have 2 layers, then you would probably need to do it for 1 minute. I do it for 1 more 30 seconds. And then my nachos will be done.
So how long did you do it for, Lorna?
About
45 seconds.
45 seconds.
So you just watch it until it's all bubbly and done.
Like really bubbly. Ours was like made a huge bubble.
Yeah, so if it's just a small plate, it takes 30 seconds. But if you do a big plate, it takes the full minute. But this one was 45 seconds.
Look good?
Looks good.
You just eat it.
Nachos are done.
Yep.
Now Mama needs her some nachos too for a late night snack 'cause I realized I did not eat dinner. So, just chips and cheese. And I like some homemade ranch, which we will do.
And also salsa, homemade salsa.
And homemade salsa. So it's hard to do this while recording.
Yes, it is. Just pour it on.
Mm-hmm.
Just like that, and then you just do the salsa. Here's a spoon, if you need it. Spoons are more easier.
Just dab it on there.
Dab, dab.
See, so I'm getting my tomatoes and onions, and I make the ranch with some yogurt. So I got my probiotics, and then the chips and cheese. A good late night dinner snack.
And then that's mine. No.
Right. She likes hers plain for a snack. I like mine with all the stuff on it.
Make sure to like and subscribe, and don't forget to give a thumbs up, and make sure to have a good night snack. Go Kids Cooking Show!